Have you ever wondered why so many people are talking about the keto diet? You've probably heard that it helps with weight loss, boosts energy, and even improves mental clarity. But what exactly is keto and how does it work? Let's break it down into simple terms so you can decide if this low-carb lifestyle is right for you. Understanding the keto diet, the ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a high-fat, low-carb eating plan designed to shift your body's metabolism. Instead of relying on carbohydrates for energy, keto trains your body to burn fat. This metabolic state is called ketosis, and it's the secret behind keto success. How does ketosis work? When you eat a standard diet, your body converts carbs into glucose for fuel. But when you cut carbs drastically, your body starts producing ketones from fat. These ketones become your new energy source, helping you burn stored fat efficiently. Benefits of the keto diet: weight loss. Since your body burns fat for fuel, you naturally lose excess weight. Steady energy. No more sugar crashes. Keto keeps your energy levels stable throughout the day. Mental clarity. Many people report improved focus and concentration. Reduced cravings. High-fat meals keep you full longer, reducing hunger pangs. Better blood sugar control. Keto can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with insulin resistance. What can you eat on keto? Healthy fats: avocados, olive oil, nuts, and butter. Proteins: meat, fish, eggs, and cheese. Low-carb vegetables: leafy greens, zucchini, cauliflower, and bell peppers. Berries: strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries in moderation. What to avoid on keto? Sugar. Say goodbye to soda, candy, and pastries. Grains: no bread, rice, pasta, or cereals. High-carb fruits: bananas, apples, and grapes. Legumes: beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Practical tips for starting keto: start slow, reduce carbs gradually to avoid the dreaded keto flu. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to support your metabolism. Eat enough fat. Don't fear fat. It's your primary fuel source on keto. Plan your meals. Having keto-friendly meals ready makes it easier to stick with the diet. Listen to your body. Everyone's keto journey is different. Adjust as needed. Is keto right for you? Keto isn't just another fad diet. It's a lifestyle that can transform your health. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain energy, or improve mental focus, keto offers a science-backed approach to achieving your goals. Have you tried keto before? Share your experience in the comments below.